This video shows how to self-install your Belong DWA0122 modem for homes with a fibre to the node or fibre to the building NBN connection. We know that's tech talk, so don't freak out. Each home is different, and we've written down your NBN connection type in your welcome email. Please also check your email to see if you need an NBN appointment before you plug your modem in. To set up another modem, like the Belong Sagecom modem or another NBN connection type, go to belong.com.au/welcome or check the video description for links. Before we begin, make sure any equipment you rely on like security, medical or fire alarms will work on your NBN connection. Your old landline phone and internet services will disconnect and no longer be available after you install your modem. It's a good idea to have a charged mobile phone nearby so you can still contact people and use the internet in the meantime. Your tech type doesn't need an NBN box to get up and running. You'll be connecting to the NBN through a phone socket a little later. Now grab your modem box. It's made of 100% recycled paper. Open it up and you'll notice there's no plastic packaging inside. Any paper mist on the modem or cables is safe to wipe away. The modem is a black box 21 cm wide, 18.5 cm high and 3 cm deep. The front of the modem shows the Belong logo. Hi there! The rear of the modem has a grey DSL port, 4 yellow LAN ports, a red WAN port, a black DCIN power socket, a black on and off button, and a reset button that requires a paperclip or pin or really tiny hands to push it. The top of the modem has 8 lights because we love a party. The left side of the modem has a black WPS button. The bottom of the modem has 4 raised feet, 2 wall mounting brackets, and a sticker panel with your Wi-Fi login information, and a QR code. The modem comes with a black modem power cord, a thin modem DSL cable, 2 white Ethernet cables, a quick setup guide, and a Wi-Fi card. Now let's position your modem. Your modem should be placed on a flat surface with the feet down. Or if the modem is wall-mounted, the feet should be pointed towards the wall. For best results, you should try to put your modem in a direct line of sight near the centre of your home. It should be away from large electronic devices like fridges, microwaves, or nuclear reactors. Your modem will need to be connected to a working phone socket, which might limit where you can put it. For tips on where to position your modem, check the video description for links. Now let's connect your modem to the phone socket. Grab the DSL cable and plug it into the phone socket. Plug the other end into the DSL port on the back of your Belong modem. It's the first port on the left. Plug one end of the black modem power cord into the back of the Belong modem using the socket labelled DCIN, which is to the left of the on-off button. Plug the other end into a power socket and turn it on. Pushing the on-off button makes a really satisfying clicking sound and, you guessed it, turns the modem on and off. The button will be pushed in when the modem is on and pushed out when the modem is off. Turn on the modem. Wait for up to 10 minutes for the sync, internet and status lights on top of the modem to turn green. Your modem will now be ready to connect to your internet-enabled devices. To connect a device with an Ethernet cable, plug one end of the white Ethernet cable into your device's Ethernet LAN port or adapter. Plug the other end into the back of the Belong modem using one of the yellow LAN ports labelled 1 to 4. The first LAN port is the second port from the left. The relevant LAN's port light will light up. To connect a device using Wi-Fi, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and use the Wi-Fi network name and password written on your Wi-Fi card, or on the sticker on the bottom of the modem in the lower right. You can quickly set up mobile devices that can read QR codes. Simply open up your camera app, point the camera at the QR code on the Wi-Fi card or on the bottom of the modem. A web link will open to help connect automatically. If you have a WPS-enabled device, like a laptop, you can connect to the modem without entering a password. Simply go to the Wi-Fi settings on your device and select the Wi-Fi name written on your Wi-Fi card or on the sticker on the back of the modem. When it prompts you to enter the password, press the WPS button on the left side of the modem. The WPS light on top of the modem will flash and your device should connect automatically. You should now be ready to use the internet in your home. If you need a hand along the way, we're here to help. Contact us at belong.com.au/support